Welcome back. Now, if you operate as a Go High Level agency, you will recognize the Go High Level agency dashboard. If you go into the app marketplace, and you can do that on your left side menu by clicking this area, you will see applications made available. Now, in many cases, these applications are created by a third party in order to connect to a connecting application, not necessarily by the platform itself. And we can type in get response. What you're going to see here is that there is a paid application that you would be paying in addition to your Go High Level agency and works with the white label inside of your Go High Level agency. You'll also notice that the connection is not by Get Response. It is a third party. And so there is a cost associated with it. So you can make Go High Level available to the customers inside of your agency. And what you'll be doing is installing it to your account. You'll need, though, to be aware that you will be billed for individuals that use this third-party connection. Now, this does not give them a GetResponse account. What this does is allows you to make GetResponse available within your Go High Level agency to the customers that you have. However, you will want to make sure you understand the specific permissions before you engage with this particular plugin. And as is the case with all plugins, you do want to make sure that this plugin is safe and working regardless of when you are watching this specific video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.